Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill out the Amazon Affiliates tax form in the US. This is an essential step for anyone earning money through Amazon's affiliate program, as it ensures you're properly set up for tax reporting and can continue receiving your commissions without any issues. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your Amazon Associates account using your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that's linked to your affiliate activities. After signing in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a three-line menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Account, then click on Account Settings. This section is where you'll manage all the important details related to your affiliate account. Now, you'll see an option labeled United States Current Tax Status. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the tax form where you'll need to provide your information to comply with U.S. tax regulations. The first thing you'll need to do is select your tax classification. You'll be asked whether you're filing as an individual or as a business. Choose the option that accurately reflects your situation. This is important because it determines how Amazon reports your earnings to the IRS. Next, navigate to the section that asks, "Are you a United States citizen?" Here you'll have three options to choose from. Select yes, no, or I'm not sure if I'm a U.S. resident alien, depending on your citizenship status. This helps Amazon determine the appropriate tax treatment for your earnings. In the next field, enter your full name exactly as it appears on your tax documents. Make sure there are no typos or errors, as this information needs to match your official records for tax purposes. Now navigate to the U.S. Taxpayer Identification Number section. Below it, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred identification type. This could be a Social Security number, an employer identification number, or another valid tax ID. Click the drop-down and choose the option that applies to you. Once you've selected your ID type, enter your U.S. Taxpayer Identification Number in the designated field. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, as any mistakes here could cause delays in processing your payments or tax forms. Moving forward, you'll need to provide your address details. Enter your address line 1, followed by your city, state, province, or region, and postal code. Make sure all the information is accurate and up to date, as this is where any official correspondence will be sent. After you've filled in all the required information, click on Save and Preview. This allows you to review everything you've entered before submitting it. Take a moment to carefully check each field to ensure there are no errors. And that's it. You've successfully completed the Amazon Affiliates tax form for the US. Your information is now on file, and you're all set to continue earning through the Amazon Associates program without any tax-related interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.